Well, greetings there, prop fans. It's Tony here from Caveman Props, and I'm back down here in the office to do another unboxing. I know I seem to only be doing unboxings at the moment, but this workshop still needs to be worked on. I've been working a lot as well, so I haven't really got time for anything else. But this one I'm super excited about because I've been sent this item to unbox. I can't actually believe I have been sent it. It was a long time ago. This thing showed up online. I thought it was absolutely amazing. I talked about it. Somebody contacted me and said, if you got one, would you do a video about it? And I was like, of course, that's what I do. And they asked me for my details. Obviously, I was a little bit dubious about sending my details, and got home from work today, and this has shown up on my door. And I can immediately tell what it is from the outer packaging, as you might be able to see there. It's from Magnoli Props, and they make some amazing props, clothing as well. But they've done some really good stuff, and they've done some really good stuff from the new Ghostbusters as well. They did the papyrus map, and they actually printed it on proper papyrus from Egypt, and it is absolutely amazing. And if this is what I think it is, which I'm hoping it is, this is amazing as well, and I absolutely love it. So I've got the camera up there as well, so we're going to have a look. I've obviously turned it up the other way so you don't see my address, sorry. Right, so we're going to slowly try and unpick this out. Opening up. I mean, obviously, if I post this video, it's probably going to be in the title, so you probably already know what it's going to be. Oh, I can just see the end here. I'm going to put my hand over that. Look at that. Raise Occult Bookshop. I mean, that is just kind of... It's really just kind of amazing, that is, isn't it? See if I can slide this out before I've got to... No, I'm going to have to cut down there. Let me just do this. I know I should be a bit more careful with the scalpel, but there we go. Right, so I'm going to take this out, take my dress away, and turn this over. Oh, even the front of the box is printed. Okay, kind of the cat's out of the bag. This is the Tobin's Spirit Guide from Ghostbusters. Obviously, it was talked about in the first two films, and we didn't actually see it till the third film, and it was a beautiful, beautiful book. And obviously, Ray's Occult Bookshop is where Dan Aykroyd's character is now working. So, even just the outside of the box, J.H. Tobin, that is amazing. Obviously, Magnoli Props, they've got to get theirs on there. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Now, this has been shipped all the way from New Zealand, which is why it's obviously taken a couple of months to get here. But, right, let's have a shifty. Open it up. Oh, I get a little business card from Ray's Occults. Whether you can see that one there. My light is a bit bright here for bleaching everything out a little bit. But, I mean, it's in plastic, so I'm going to take that out. And it's heavy. It's a heavy book. Let's see if I can get it out of this plastic. Alright. Oh my word. There's a little bit of... It's looked worn as well. Oh my word, that's really good. Whether that's just the damage in transport, but to me that looks beautiful. So it's had some bit of wear and tear. The corners are a little bit dented a little bit. But to me that adds to it. And the pages, they've got that kind of like old... It looks like an old book. Let's have a look. So we'll open it up. Beautiful texture there. Tobin's Spirit Guide Encyclopedia. Oh, look at the artwork there. Brightman and Sons Publishing. Oh, that's just beautiful. Contents, Chapter 1, Spirits of Egypt. Dark content. Just all the different chapters. Now, I know there's some brilliant little Easter eggs in here, so we're not going to sort of look through. There's obviously some nice Egyptian stuff. Let's see what we can find. Obviously some mummy bits. Some nice Moses in the burning bush. So there's some nice pieces. That is the Ark of the Covenant, and that is an image from Indiana Jones. So that's kind of our first little Easter egg. So it's not Ghostbusters, but it's Indiana Jones. Oh. Wow. This feels like an old book. Some brilliant references in here. I mean, they've filled this with proper stuff. Let's just have a... Oh, is that the Gozer symbol? So we could be... Yes, there's a pterodog. Zool. Oh, yeah, so they've got obviously the Ghostbuster stuff in here. Gozer the Bob in. Even some of these pages, they look... Oh, they've got wear in them. It's bends, and the attention to detail in this is unbelievable. Oh, there's the Nectar comic book. Ah, I have been told about something in here, and I want to know if I can find it. It's, oh, Vlad the Impaler. So obviously vampires are in here as well. Legends of the Fool. Some brilliant stuff. Now I've been told, I have it on great authority, that the Loki mask and the mask. Punishment of Loki. So obviously, you know, the Jim Carrey film is in here. So the Easter eggs in here from other movie franchises is just brilliant. As a crossover prop, it's really the kind of things you love to see. Now, obviously, I'm just flicking through. I want to see if I can find it. Oh, it's the box from Hellraiser. Yeah, so I'm going to have to go through and try and find some of the other references in here. But I know, I've been told, Pumpkin Man. Oh. I wonder if there's a... Oh, I think I just saw... Yes, Gremlins. Oh. As you can see, I'm absolutely in love with this. I'm going to be reading this book from front to cover, looking for all the great... I thought the Hound of the Baskervilles. Hairy Jack of the Hounds. Oh. Now I just want to find what I want to find. They've obviously gone through all different, you know, movies, mythology. Back to where I was. Let's see if there is, I don't think there is, an index. isn't. I was told there were some Doctor Who references in here which made me absolutely amazed that they would even include that in here. I've probably either gone past it, flicked too much, but I will find it and I will post some stuff on this online. But this is incredible. It feels like an old school encyclopedia that you would find in a library, that, you know, the book Egon would have had and he would have looked through and he would have used it many, many times. More references. Here we go. Vigo the Carpathian. Oh, this is absolutely amazing. It's cold in here at the moment, so my hands are starting to hurt. I've to turn the heater off because it was becoming so cold. Oh, Slimer. So there's all those kind of references in here. And this is good quality paper as well. I can't praise this Beetlejuice. I will look all the way through this and I will share every little detail, which probably be the entire book. I don't want to share the entire book. I think there was a thing there about you feel something grab your foot. Oh, we've all had. Oh, there's another Indiana Jones reference there. Oh, this is amazing. This is going to go pride of place next to my Death's Head whistle. It's going to go sit on the bookshelf. It's going to be... Oh, he thinks I'm in love, baby. Oh, this is the attention to detail, the work in this. Go and check out some of their work because it is absolutely amazing. This is top level work. The leather work on it, the aging of it, the details, it's perfect. I can't think of anything else to say about it. It is absolutely amazing. I'm going to enjoy going through this. This is going to take me a long while, and I'm going to be posting about this probably for quite a while. But look at that, it's a big book and they've filled it full of proper information as well. So there we go. Check out their website. I will post a link to it in the description. Some of their stuff is absolutely amazing, and thank you for sorting this out for me, because I am absolutely stoked about that somebody would actually bother to do this for me. And you know, anything I can ever do for those people as well, you know, and I will sing the praises of these makers forever, because this is brilliant. And I'm sure if they ever want to send me anything else, I will be happy to look at that as well. Hear that? So yes, this is going pride of place in my living room, and because it will just sit there on this shelf looking like a old school book. Oh, thank you. There we are, guys. I don't know what else to say. My heart's going. I'm in awe, and that's really all I can say about it. But please check them out. Please like, please subscribe. I'd like to thank you all for watching. I'd like to thank everyone for their kind words they say and doing wonderful things like this for me. It really, really kind of makes me feel worthwhile on doing this channel and doing the stuff that I do online. I'll hopefully be back to making soon. As soon as the winter's done, I'm going to sort out the new workshop and hopefully be piling some more content on. But in the meantime, thank you, thank you, thank you.